Today we have to discuss the decision tree approach जिसका introduction हम last lecture में कर चुके हैं. So we have to do the dry run upon a data set using ID3 algorithm. और ID3 algorithm की क्या steps हैं in order to just get the desired goal वो भी हम cover up कर चुके थे last lecture में. So let's just see. Here is the data set for us. अब हमने क्या करना है? We have got the attributes of a gender who has got some of the person have got the labels within that the car, and some of them just travel cost उसकी हमने देख ली कि how do they travel आगे अगर वो किस कैटेगरी में आ रहे हैं, either it's cheap, standard और expensive, और उनका income level क्या है, either that is low, medium और high, and what is अब इसकी basis पे हम ये देख रहे हैं that what is actually the mean of transportation of that particular label or data within this data set. तो ये हमारे पास एक class आ गई, these are the attributes, और ये class है जिसकी basis पे हम actually decision ले रहे हैं या predict किया जाएगा. So according to the ID3 algorithm, the first step was to find out the entropy and information gain, और हमारे पास उसके लिए formula given था that here it is. For calculating the entropy, first of all what do we need to do? अब हमने क्या करना था? We need to actually make a tree for that, and for making that tree we have to choose a particular attribute within the data set जो हमें सबसे ज़्यादा accurate और आप कह सकते हो effective output provide कर रहा होगा. So how we can do that? For that we need to find out the entropy and information gain. But first of all, in the first step of ID3 algorithm, for calculating the entropy and information gain, you need to calculate the entropy of the particular class which is transportation for us, और उसके लिए formula था that was the summation of minus probability of L into log of 2 of P of L or P of I. ठीक है, तो let's just go for the calculation of the probability or entropy for this particular class of transportation. Okay, now we can see that we have got about 10 data points in it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. और अगर हम उसके अंदर labels देखें तो we can categorize that either as bus, train and car. तो हमें इन तीन label की basis पे probability को find out करना होगा. So here is the class probability for transportation. Let's see for bus how much we have got for bus labels. 1 2 3 4. So here it is. और हमारे पास total data points कितने थे for the complete data set? That was 10. So here it is. So if I just find out the probability of bus, that is 4 by 10, which is equal to 0.4. Now let's see for train. For train the labels are 1 2 and 3. The total number of labels for train are 3, and data points total हमारे पास कितने थे? 10. Simple probability जैसे हम find कर रहे थे, it's 0.3. And for car we can see it's 1 2 3, so it's same. For car the probability is also 0.3. now अब मुझे probability तो मिल गई. What I have to do, I have to put up these values within the entropy formula. So if I just open up this formula and put all of these labels within that, so हमारे पास formula expand होके क्या बन जाएगा? That would be minus probability of bus into log of 2 of probability of bus, and then the third one was train, so that would be minus probability of train into log of 2 of probability of train, and then minus probability of car into log of 2 of probability of car. तो अब हम इसमें values put up करते जाते हैं within this formula. So here it is. Okay, minus probability of bus, we just found it कि probability of bus हमारे पास क्या थी? That was 0.4. So here it is. अब हमने क्या करना है? We need to find out the log of 2 of probability of bus. ठीक है, आपके पास scientific calculator में log of 2 की mean की भी है, but in case if it's not there, simple log की है, तो what you can do in that case, you can find out by the log of x. X is here actually representing the value of any at label which we are using. जैसे हमारे पास यहाँ पे probability of bus के लिए है, so what it would be, तो ये हमारे पास क्या हो जाएगा? that will become log of probability of bus हमने क्या थी? that was 0.4. log of 0.4, and then we have to divide it with log of 2 and we will get the answer. तो अगर हम इसे divide करें we will get the output of -1.322 for log of 2 of probability of bus. So this is how we will be calculating the log of 2 for each and every label that is given. So if I put up this value in the formula, so here it is, that is -1.322, and then I have to do for the train as well. Probability of train was 0.3, so according to the formula that is -0.3 into log of 2, that is log of 2 of probability of train. So again if I calculate it in this way, I will get the answer of -1.736, and same is the case for car. The probability is 0.3 into log of 2 of probability of car. तो इसी formula में अगर मैंने put कर दिया, because I was using the mobile phone, so I got the output of -1.736. Okay, after putting up all of these values within the formula, if I calculate it, तो मुझे entropy of transportation और जो हमारे पास class थी मिली है, that is 1.5704. So we are done with the first step of calculation for the entropy of a class. अब हमने क्या करना है, in order to choose to the parent node, we need to find out the entropy and information gain of each and every attribute separately, और वो हम आगे करते जाते हैं. But for how long we have to do it? Once we are done with the calculation of information gain for each and every attribute, the one which will be having the highest information gain value, that would be chosen as the topmost, or you can say the parent node for our decision tree. Okay, so let's go for that. अब हमारे पास data set में क्या था, we have got 4 attributes, that is gender, ownership of car, travel and income. So first of all I'll go for the gender, और मैंने आसानी के लिए यहाँ पर पहले से ये डेटा सेट प्रिसाइज करके यहाँ पे लिख लिया था, सो दैट हमें टैली करने में आसानी हो जाए. एंड वी नीड टू एक्चुअली कंपेयर दैट विद द क्लास फॉर श्योर. वी नो दिस थिंग फॉर मेकिंग द डिसीजन. सो ओवर हियर वी कैन सी दैट विद इन अ जेंडर वी हैव गॉट 2 labels, that is male and female. ठीक है, हमारे पास 2 labels है विद इन अ जेंडर एट्रीब्यूट. And within a class of transportation we were having 3, that was bus, train and car. So here it is. तो अब हमने क्या करना है, we need to make the prediction based upon the labels that is given for the gender class. अब हमें इसमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, we need to separate, or you can say all of the labels that are lying within the one category. और हमारे पास थी, one was male and the other one is female. So here is the data set. If I just separate these same labels, तो gender के लिए अगर मैं first of all calculate करूँ, we have got about, we can see 1 2 3 4 and 5. I have got 5 labels of male within the attribute of a gender, and इसकी basis पे जो हमारे पास सामने आ रही हैं classes वो भी लिख लेंगे. Like for this male it's bus, for male it's bus, here it is, for male it's bus, male it's bus, for again male it's bus, then for male it's train, and then it's car, for male it's bus, and then for male it's train, and then it's car. तो हमने वही steps करने हैं as we did prior for calculating the entropy. और हमारे पास attributes में की calculation के लिए कि कौन सा हमने parent node choose करना है, we were having the same steps, जो कि ये था. First of all you have to calculate the entropy, and then you will be calculating the information gain, and जो best होगा हम उसे calculate कर लेंगे. So here it is. Okay, so if I calculate the probability of each and every class within my data set, I can see मेरे पास यहाँ पे total given कितनी है for male gender, there that is around 5, that is 1 2 3 4 and 5. और probability of bus की अगर हम देख ले, we have got 1 2 and 3, so the probability of bus is 3/5, which leads to 0.7. For train we have got only 1, so that is 1/5, it will be 0.2, and then for car it's also 1, that will also lead to 0.2. अब हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, now we need to calculate the entropy in the same way again, और हमें उसका formula याद है, that it is entropy of an attribute will be equal to minus summation of probability of L into log of 2 of probability of L that we were having. तो यहाँ पे अगर हम मेल जेंडर के लिए देखें, what do we need to do? We need to find out for entropy. We need to find out for the entropy of a given class of transportation, and over here we are considering the attribute of attribute gender labeled to be male. So we have to find out the entropy of transportation given that gender is equal to male. So if I expand up this formula, what it would be, so ये हमारे पास formula बन जाएगा, that is minus probability of, और हमने इन तीनों labels की basis पे देखना है for transportation, so that would be minus probability of bus given that male into log of 2 of probability of bus given that male, and then again minus probability of train देखनी है, so that would be minus probability of train given that gender is male into log of 2 of probability of train given that gender is male. Now I have to see for the last one as well, और वो क्या हो जाएगा, minus probability of train given that gender is male into log of 2 of probability of train given that gender is male. So if I put up the values within this जो कि हमने calculate की हुई हैं for bus, here it is, यहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत mix up हो गया था, so that's why I just wrote it again for you कि आपको clear दिख जाए. So the probability of bus is 0.6. So if I put up the probability of bus given that train is 0 minus 0.6, here it is, into log of 2 of probability of bus given that train. Here is the value which I have kept, और मैं इसे calculate करूँगी. Same would be the case for train. It's 0.2, so it will become minus probability of train given that it's a gender, ठीक है, probability of train given that the gender is male, it's 0.2 into log of 2 of 0.2. Same would be the case for car, that is minus 0.2 into log of 2 of 0.2. So if I put up all of these values and calculate it, that will lead me to the entropy of 1.522, ठीक है, and that is for the entropy of transportation given that gender is male. Okay, so same would be the case for the female which we would be doing. तो अब हम female के लिए भी calculate कर लेते हैं because we need to make that. हम female के लिए हमारे पास क्या थे, 1 2 3 4 5. Here are the 5 labels of female gender, और इसके basis पे जो भी हमारे पास आ रही हैं transportation के means we have just jotted down over here. So same as the way again I have to calculate the probability, and what is the probability for this? The probability is for bus we can see that there is only one instant, और female के total कितने हैं, that is 5. For female it's 5 and there is only one instant of bus, and so that would lead me to the probability of 1 by 5 which is 0.2, and for train we can see it's 1 and 2, so 2 by 5 which is 0.4. Same is the case for car, 2 by 5 which leads to 0.4. Again I need to put up these values within the formula, and that is again the same one, minus summation of probability of L into log of 2 of I. तो यही मैंने further ऐसे ही expand कर लिया, that entropy of transportation given that gender is female for us right now, and that would be minus probability of each and every label के लिए हमने देखना है, so that would be minus probability of bus given that female into log of 2 of probability of bus given that female. Then we have to see for train, because we need to write down all of the labels of the attribute, ठीक है, of that particular class जो इस attribute के साथ है मैच करते हुए. So that would be minus probability of train given that female into log of train given that female, and then again for car it's the same one. So same way I can put up these values now. So that would be minus 0.2 for bus into log of 2 of 0.2. For train it's again minus 0.4 into log of 2 of 0.4. Same is the case for car, that is minus 0.4 into log of 2 of 0.4. So the entropy of transportation given that the gender is female is 1.371. अब मैंने दो जो भी labels given थे for the attribute, I found the entropy for all of those. But now what I have to do, I have to calculate the information gain, and the formula for information gain is this one, okay, that in gain of the particular class given that attribute is equal to the entropy of that particular class minus summation of probability of that particular class given that attribute into entropy of that particular class given that attribute. तो ये आपको करना होगा. So अगर मैं ये particular formula को पहले general basis पे लिख लेती हूँ for the gender class, so what it would be, gain of transport given that gender, क्योंकि अभी जो हमने के लिए कर रहे थे एट्रीब्यूट के लिए दैट वाज एक्चुअली द जेंडर, तो मैं कॉमनली पहले ये लिख रही हूँ. सो दैट वुड बी एंट्रोपी ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट जो कि हमने कैलकुलेट की थी, एंड देन इट वुड बी इक्वल टू द summation of, just wait please, yes, so I'll continue it over here, gain of transportation given that gender, it's equal to the entropy of transport minus summation of probability of transport given that gender into entropy of this particular. तो हमारे पास भी यही आ गया, entropy of transport given that gender. So if I put up the labels of the gender within it, what I will get, so the gain of transport given that gender will be entropy of transport minus probability of transport given that, और हमारे पास क्या labels थे for gender, that was male and female. So it will become probability of transport given that gender is equal to male into entropy of transport given that gender equals to male. Same would be done for the female class. So that is minus probability of transport given that gender equals to female into entropy of transport given that gender equals to female. So अब हम देखते हैं ये values जो हमने calculate की थी for each and every class. Okay, let's just see that. First of all we need to put the value of entropy of transportation, और जो कि हमने calculate की थी by putting up in the formula of entropy, and that was leading us to 1.5704. So here it is 1.5704. Okay, now we need to see for the probability of transport given that gender was male. We can see that there are total 10 data points within this particular attribute, और जो हमारे पास given है data set में, and the total instances of male are 1 2 3 4 5. So that was leading us to the probability of, for male, that was leading us to the probability of 5 by 10. So here it is, तो ये हमने यहाँ पर लिख ली, that is minus 5 by 10, and then we have to write out the entropy of transport given that gender is male. So for the male gender, the entropy is, which we calculated, is 1.522. So here it is multiplied with the entropy of this, which is 1.522. Now we have to see the probability of female based label. So we can see there are 1 2 3 4 5 labels female, और total हमारे पास कितने हैं, that is 10. So again we got the same probability for transport given that gender is female, which is 5 by 10, and then we have to take the product with the entropy of transport given that gender is female. So female gender के लिए जो हमने entropy calculate की थी, which was 1.371. So here it is 1.371, and that will lead to 0.12 if I calculate all of these values. Okay, so the gain, information gain of transport given that the attribute is gender is 0.12. तो आज हम इतना करते हैं. ये टॉपिक है तो बहुत आसान, सिंपली यू हैव टू प्ले विद द नंबर्स, बट लेंथी बहुत है ये, बिकॉज इफ़ वी विल मेक अ सिंगल मिस्टेक तो हमारी पूरी की पूरी कैलकुलेशन गलत हो सकती है. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू नाउ, वी आर डन विद द कैलकुलेशन ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन गेन फॉर जेंडर. अब आपने क्या करना है, यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट फॉर आर ओनरशिप ऑफ अ कार, ट्रैवल कॉस्ट एंड इनकम लेवल. बट कैसे करना है, आपकी आसानी के लिए मैंने यहाँ पे टेबल बना दिया है. डोंट गो फॉर ईच एंड एवरी एट्रीब्यूट बिकॉज कलेक्टिवली वी वुड बी डिस्कसिंग दैट. तो जिनके रोल नंबर में डिजिट 2 आ रहा है, वी आर डन विद द जेंडर. सो ठीक है, अगर आपके रोल नंबर में डिजिट 2 है, सो यू हैव टू गो फॉर द एट्रीब्यूट ऑफ अ कार. ओनरशिप, if you have got 3, तो अगर 3 है within your roll number, so go for travel cost. And if you have got 4, you have to go for the income level. तो मैंने आपको यहाँ पे उसके आउटपुट वैल्यूज़ भी गिवन है, दी हुई हैं. एंड देन दिस इज़ एक्चुअली द फर्स्ट आइट्रेशन, और हम यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं व्हेन यू विल बी डन विद दैट कैलकुलेशन फॉर अ चेक दैट एक्चुअली ट्रैवल कॉस्ट की information gain value highest है. So what we will do, we would choose the travel cost as our parent node. So here it is.